Replacing your home's windows is one of the smartest investments you can make, especially in Miami Gardens, where sunshine, humidity, and seasonal storms can put old windows to the test. New windows not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also improve energy efficiency, comfort, and security. If you're planning a window replacement project in Miami Gardens, understanding what to expect can make the process smoother and stress-free. Here's a step-by-step look at what happens from start to finish, so you can feel confident every step of the way. The initial consultation and home assessment. Your window replacement journey begins with a consultation with a local window specialist. During this visit, the professional will inspect your current windows, evaluate any problem areas, and discuss your goals for the upgrade. Are you looking to reduce energy bills? Improve hurricane resistance? Refresh your home's look? By understanding your needs, the installer can recommend window styles and materials that fit your Miami Gardens home and lifestyle. This stage typically includes measuring existing window openings for precise sizing, reviewing design options, frame materials, colors, glass types, providing an estimate based on your selections. Many reputable companies also explain energy-efficient and impact-resistant options, essential for homeowners in South Florida's coastal climate. Selecting the perfect windows for your home. Once your consultation is complete, you'll have time to choose the right windows for your space. Miami Gardens homeowners often prioritize impact-resistant windows, built to withstand strong winds and flying debris during hurricanes. Energy-efficient models, featuring low-E coatings and insulated glass to reduce cooling costs. Vinyl or aluminum frames, resistant to humidity and corrosion in coastal environments. Custom styles, from elegant picture windows to practical sliding or casement options. Your installer can show you product samples and explain performance ratings like Energy Star certification or Miami-Dade County approval, ensuring your investment meets local building codes and weather conditions. Scheduling and preparing for installation. Once your new windows are ordered, the installation team will schedule a date that works best for you. Before installation day, it's helpful to prepare your home to ensure everything goes smoothly. Here's what you can do. Move furniture, plants, and decor away from the windows. Take down curtains, blinds, or drapes. Disable home security sensors attached to your windows. Clear exterior access points like patios, porches, or driveways. The installation team will arrive with protective coverings to shield your floors and furniture from dust and debris. The installation process. On installation day, expect a team of trained professionals to arrive on time, ready to replace your windows efficiently and safely. The process usually includes removing old windows carefully to avoid damage to your walls or siding, inspecting and preparing the window openings, repairing any damage or rot before installing new frames, installing new windows using precision alignment and weatherproof sealing techniques, testing each window to ensure it opens, closes, and locks correctly. Depending on how many windows you're replacing, most projects can be completed in 1 to 2 days. For Miami Gardens homes, installers pay extra attention to hurricane-ready sealing, ensuring every window is secure against moisture, wind, and air infiltration. Clean up and final inspection. After installation, the crew will remove old windows and construction materials from your property, leaving your home clean and tidy. A final walkthrough with the installer gives you the chance to inspect the work, ask questions, and learn how to operate and care for your new windows. They'll explain key maintenance tips, such as cleaning the frames, checking seals, and keeping tracks clear, to help extend your window's lifespan and preserve their energy efficiency. Enjoying the benefits of your new windows. Once your project is complete, you'll immediately notice a difference. Your home will feel cooler, quieter, and brighter, with fewer drafts and improved comfort. Energy-efficient windows will help lower your air conditioning costs, while impact-resistant glass will give you peace of mind during storm season. Plus, The modern designs and clean finishes will elevate your home's overall appearance, inside and out. Final thoughts: a window replacement project in Miami Gardens is more than just a home improvement. It's an investment in comfort, safety, and style. By partnering with experienced local professionals, you can enjoy a seamless process from consultation to completion. With proper installation and quality materials designed for South Florida's unique climate, your new windows will provide lasting protection, energy savings, and beauty for years to come. If you're ready to make your Miami Gardens home more efficient and secure, start planning your window replacement project today, and experience the comfort of a home built to shine in every season.